Valmet Service Center in Laem Chabang, Thailand serves pulp, board, paper, tissue and energy customers in Asia Pacific. The latest technology for your roll maintenance needs ensures your machine is running smoothly. Roll maintenance, reconditioning, and roll upgrade services. With grinding, balancing, and test runs, improve the roll performance. Valmet's advanced roll covers increase the efficiency of your production line. Valmet iRoll Solution offers online measurement and analysis tools to solve problems based on the actual underlying causes. Fiber Workshop Services aim to increase the production efficiency and performance of your pulp mill. Efficient spare and process part deliveries and services ensure the reliability of your production line. Since 2006, we have manufactured suction roll seals for customers all over the world. Through Valmet Performance Center, you have easy remote access to process, automation, and maintenance expertise, regardless of your location. Our service professionals are here for you. Are you ready to succeed with us? Get in touch with your contact person at Valmet to further discuss how we can help you.